How to delegate coins in DecimalChain. Welcome to the DecimalChain channel. In this video we will learn how to delegate coins to the validators of the Decimal blockchain. To begin with, let's look at the definition. Delegation is a certain kind of transaction of the Decimal network. Funds during that transaction are blocked on the user's account and increasing the stake of the selected validator. Any user of the network can delegate his or her coins to Del, as well as any custom coins issued on the Decimal network. By delegating funds, each user increases the validator's stake, and the larger the total validator stake, the more reward the validator and his delegates will get from the blockchain. The accrual of remuneration occurs only on delegated funds. The delegation function is integrated in the mobile app in the corresponding section, as well as in the DecimalChain console via the delegation button. This page contains only 3 fields for simplified procedure and 5 fields in advanced mode. The first field is the validator's address. To fill it out, you need to choose a suitable validator. To do this, click on the browser button and go to the validator section, which is located in the blockchain menu. The review of this section and how to choose a validator topic you can find in the corresponding video instructions. And for this video we will select the main node validator, which belongs to the blockchain developers. By clicking on the QR code, the address can be scanned by a mobile device for delegating via the Decimal Wallet mobile app. And for this instruction we need the validator's wallet address. After copying it, go back to the console and paste it into the appropriate field. To check your actions, please note that the validator's wallet address always starts with the letters DXValidator. Next, select the coin you want to delegate and the amount. Click Delegate, check the entered data and the transaction fee, and then press Confirm. The success of the operation will be confirmed by the hash of the transaction, which will be immediately displayed in the browser. Then we'll go to the dashboard, and this operation also will be recorded in the transaction history. Congratulations! Now when the validator signs the block, a reward from the blockchain will be transferred to your wallet. You can see it through the browser. Copy the address of your wallet, go to the browser using the button you know, and paste the address of your wallet into the search form. Find the Rewards tab, and you will see all the accrued coins. Accrued rewards will be immediately displayed on your balance and available for any transactions. The delegated funds can be withdrawn via the appropriate links, and they will appear first in the transit balance, and after 432,000 signed blocks, that is about 30 days, they will be displayed again on your active account balance, and you will be able to dispose of them at your discretion.